What's up, y'all? This is your girl, Red Shades.
What's up? It's your boy, Romstar. Yes, sir.
And this is our vlog number 4. We gonna tell you about our crazy day we had yesterday. I'm gonna let Romstar. This is about our day yesterday. So you start off.
Well, you know, Red Shades, you know, she had a teeth cleaning. So, you know, we are waiting right there for the bus, right? So, you know, there's this rude bus driver, y'all.
You gotta report her too.
Like her face was just like.
Could tell she was thankful.
What do you
when
want
she
here?
opened the door.
Yeah, you know. So you know, she opened the door, and then there's some ladies there. You know, she's she's trying to get on, and y'all. She's the elderly lady, and she's like, no, brush off my bus.
Get off. You don't have it.
And you know, she was cussing at some other people. It was like, wow. Then
it was like, what's wrong with her? What's her problem?
And then out of the blue, you know, she goes, I smell smoke! Everybody get off!
Get off the bus!
Get off the bus!
So everybody hops off the bus, laughing like, because we don't smell no smoke, nor do we see any smoke. We're looking for the smoke. I don't see no smoke. I don't see any smoke. And then, so we all hop on this other bus, and we see her hop back on her bus.
And she's sitting there chilling.
She's chilling.
But mind y'all,
right,
she smells the smoke. Oh, everybody get off! Like it's life and death situations. And it's like, wow, that was crazy. And
then we get on the train.
Oh, that's
see some dude putting his whole business on blast.
Yeah, like, yo, you better talk to the chief of police. I don't appreciate
nobody
that.
coming up to me like that. Piss me off.
Shay, he pissed me off.
Yeah. So we was just telling y'all about our day. We had a heck of a day yesterday.
And
then, go ahead.
Yeah,
that wasn't even it.
Then we were driving and stuff, you know, and some had happened.
Yeah,
and then, you know,
that we will not say.
Yeah. Yo, we're gonna keep it hush hush. But yeah. We had to stop and pull over by a gas station there near, was it Canton?
Yeah, it was Canton.
Whew.
We were stranded out at the gas station.
Waiting for AAA.
Truck, that took an hour and a half.
45 minutes.
And then we was out there camping like it was like we had a field trip or it was a family trip, like we went hiking or something. The whole family came to the gas station. We're sitting there eating chips,
Starburst,
Reese's,
a whole bunch of
dancing,
stuff.
making up songs,
and like
it was just cool.
Yeah.
Knowing we had to get home. So
but then finally, after hours, yo, they came, and then as soon as I got in the house, I ate because I'm always hungry. So
I went straight onto Blog Talk Radio because that's my addiction. Sorry, I'm trying to get over it. I'm recovering. You know
but that sums up our day.
So that's vlog number 4. So be on the lookout for the Get At Us video coming out soon, and
very soon, y'all.
And some more tracks from Romstar, and you know,
Red Shades.
Red Shades. Holla.
That's how I go. Peace.
Representing just in case you didn't know, 9 mil Red Shades
and the homie Big Bro.
Shades, come feel my shit up. Shades, Mr. Room, come feel my shit up. Come feel my shit up. Come feel my shit up.
Bullet.